Autumn has officially arrived, and it's not holding back. The chilly temperatures and biting winds are here to stay. But fear not, because Emily Blunt just stepped out in an outfit that's not only perfect for the season, but also a masterclass in transitional style. Bold statement alert! Her backless chocolate brown silk mini dress paired with sheer polka dot tights is the autumn party look we didn't know we needed. And it's sparking conversations about how to stay chic when the weather is anything but cooperative. If you've been dreading the what-to-wear dilemma for that upcoming party or date night, Emily's ensemble is here to save the day. Spotted at the UK premiere of The Smashing Machine in London, the actress effortlessly blended practicality with high fashion. The dress itself was a showstopper, backless with a flowing train, high neck, and long sleeves, perfect for keeping warm without sacrificing style. But here's where it gets controversial. Her choice of ultra-sheer red polka dot tights. Love it or hate it, this detail elevated the look from elegant to unforgettable, proving that hosiery can be a statement piece. And this is the part most people miss. Emily's styling choices were just as thoughtful. Her slick-back ballerina bun wasn't just a fashion statement. It was a practical move to combat the unpredictable autumn winds. Her makeup, natural yet polished, with a glowing base, chiseled contour, and warm brown shimmer on her eyes. Even her accessories were carefully curated. Simple strappy heels and gold hoop earrings let her outfit take center stage. Now, let's talk hosiery trends for 2025. Emily's bold choice of colored, patterned tights is undoubtedly leading the charge, but it's not for everyone. If you're more of a classicist, sleek black tights, as championed by Hailey Bieber and Alexa Chung, are always a safe bet. But here's the question. Are you team bold and playful or team timeless and understated? Let us know in the comments. This is one fashion debate that's far from settled. Whether you're inspired to take a risk or stick to the classics, one thing's for sure. Emily Blunt's autumn party look is a lesson in how to navigate the season with style. So, as you bundle up for the colder months, remember, fashion doesn't have to hibernate. It just gets more interesting.